Science 4 grade level. Now, uh, video number 3 or third video of our new series, Understanding Electricity. Understanding Electricity, video number 3. Now, let us discuss this question, the given question actually from this video. Read the circuit. These two bulbs are connected in parallel and this is connected in series way. This is the ammeter. Now, ammeter shows the actually ammeter reading is actually current flowing, total current flowing through the circuit. That is current gain from the battery. Voltage or the potential difference of this battery is 12 volts. Now, part 1 of this question is actually you have to calculate the total resistance between Y and Z. Between Y and Z, between the points Y and Z means actually resistance, equivalent resistance of these two bulbs. They are connected in parallel. Now, part 2, total resistance between X and Z. That is total resistance of all these bulbs. Here you have to calculate actually total resistance of all these three bulbs. Now, part 3, current passing through the bulb V1. Actually, current passing through this bulb is equal to the actually ammeter reading, OI. Current gain from this battery is I. So that current is actually flowing through this bulb, and at this point, current gets divided into these two parallel bulbs. Now let us calculate the first part 1, part 1 first. Y, resistance of the bulb Y is 6 ohms. Now resistance of the bulb B2 is, resistance of the bulb B2 is 6 ohms. Resistance of this bulb is 3 ohms. They are connected in parallel. Therefore, 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. Let us simplify this and see how much. 6, 1, 3 upon 6, half. 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, R is equal to 2. Total resistance of these two bulbs is 2 ohms. 2 ohms. Is it clear? Right. They are connected in parallel now. Therefore, 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 6, 1 upon 3. Simplify this and see. Answer is R is equal to 2 ohm. That is total or equivalent resistance of these two bulbs is 2 ohms. Now, part 2. Total resistance between X and Z. X is here. Z is here. That is total resistance of all the bulbs, all the given bulbs. Now let us calculate that. Now total resistance of these two bulbs is 2 ohms and resistance of this bulb B1 is 6 ohms. Therefore, total resistance of all these bulbs actually is Now, current received from the or current gained from the battery actually depends on this resistance 8 ohms. Total resistance is 8 ohms. So therefore, I is equal to, according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. V is 12. R is 6 plus 2, 8. Therefore, I is equal to 1.5 amperes. Current gaining from the battery is 1.5 amperes. Now actually this current flows through this. Current passing through this bulb is 1.5 amperes. 1.5 amperes. Is it actually right? Do you understand it? Current drawn from the battery is 1.5 amperes. Is it okay? Right. Now let us calculate. The fourth part. Now current passing through this is 1.5 amperes. Resistance of this bulb is 6 ohms. Now you have to actually calculate the potential difference between these 2 points. That is potential difference or the voltage across this bulb. V xy, potential difference between x and y, that is potential difference across this bulb is equal to IR. I is 1.5, resistance is 6, therefore 9 volts. Now do you understand actually what does this mean? Actually from this 12 volts, 9 volts is actually 9 volts of potential difference is for this bulb. Potential difference across this bulb is 9 volts. 9 volts. Therefore, potential difference between these 2 points, Vy is in potential difference across these 2 points. That is, the potential difference. This is the potential difference, common potential difference for these 2 bulbs. Now you have to subtract. Actually 9 from 12. 12 minus 9. 12 is the actually total potential difference. Now subtract 9 from this, 3 volts. Now for actually voltage or the potential difference for these 2 bulbs is actually 3 volts. 3 volts. Actually, you have to calculate that to find out I1 and I2. Now you have to calculate the current passing through the bulb I1 and I2 both. That is current passing to the bulb B3 and current passing to the bulb B2. I1 and I2. You have to calculate I1, I2. I1 is the current passing through the bulb B2. I2 is the current passing through the bulb B3. Now I1 is equal to V upon R. Here V means not 12. 12 means for all these, no? 3 volts. 3 volts for these 2. Therefore divide 3 by Divide 3 by 6. 0.5. Half an ampere. Half an ampere. Current passing through this bulb is half an ampere. That is I1 is half an ampere, 0.5 amperes. Now I2, let us calculate I2 also. V upon R, V is 3, not 12. 12 is for all these. For these two actually potential difference is 3 volts. Divide this by 3. 1 ampere. Correct? No, because current flowing through this bulb is 1.5 ampere. It gets divided. It is divided actually according to the resistances. Through this bulb, actually current is 0.5. Through this bulb, current is actually 1 ampere. 1.5 is divided as 0.5 and 1. Now because resistance is actually more here, 6. Here it is 3. That is why 1 ampere to this bulb and half an ampere to this bulb. Now actually questions like this actually, so you may actually get for exam. So therefore you have to understand these well. And also, now ask your friends also to do these questions. And actually, it will be very helpful for your exam. And also, do not forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel.